Lincoln High School Band perform.
Let me
Number 7, up the middle. Touchdown Cardinals. Pass is up. It's going to be intercepted by the Cardinals. Bubble recovered. Recovered by down. Number 1 on the run. He's going to be tackled out. Let's hear it for Bars Up Fitness. That ball is out. And it's recovered by the Hornets. And it's complete to Trey Jockey. And it's blocked. And it's recovered by the Hornets. And it's going to be a Number 2 on the return. He's up to the 50. And he's kick is up. It is blocked. Quarterback shotgun. He throws the pill across the middle. Oh, no. Cross route. Looks like it's going to be a touchdown for Hoover.